everyone, welcome to DIVYAganitha. In this video, I am going to solve Kcet 2019 mathematics paper from question number 51 to question number 60. Let's see this question. In this problem, they have asked us the integration from -3 to 3 cot inverse of x dx. How to solve this problem? Let's try solving. Let us take this as I. That is integration -3 to 3 cot inverse x dx as I. Then we know something, that is if we have integration from a to b f of x dx, then it is equal to integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, right? Let's use this formula to solve this problem. Then it will be integration from -3 to 3 cot inverse of 3 minus 3 minus x dx, right? 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. So it will be integration from -3 to 3 cot inverse of minus x dx. What is cot inverse of minus x? That is nothing but pi minus cot inverse x, right? So it will be pi minus cot inverse of x dx. Let's separate this integration. Then it will be -3 to 3 pi dx minus 3 to 3 cot inverse x dx, right? This is nothing but I. So here also we have I. If we take this term to left hand side, then it will be 2i is equal to, if we integrate this, then it will be pi into x from -3 to 3. If we apply -3 and 3, then it will be 6 pi, right? We have 2i is equal to 6 pi. Then I is 3 pi. So the correct answer is option B, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, they have asked us to find the integration of 1 by root x plus x root x dx. How to solve this problem? We have root x common here, right? Let's take it common. Then we will get 1 by root x into 1 plus x. X can be written as root x whole square, right? Can you relate this to any formula? We have some formula like this, that is integration of f dash of x divided by 1 plus f of x whole square dx. This is equal to, what is this? Tan inverse of f of x, right? So how to apply this? Here in place of f of x we have root x. What is the differentiation of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x. Here we have 1 by root x, but we don't have 2. So let's multiply and divide by 2. Then what we will get? In place of this we can write 2 is as it is, and in place of all this we can write tan inverse of root x plus c. Here also we will have plus c. So here also we will get plus c. So the answer is option C, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, it is given that integration of 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 dx is equal to a log mod x minus 1 plus b log x plus 2 plus c log x minus 3 plus some constant k. Then we have to find the values of a, b, c. How to solve this problem? We know that we have to find the partial fraction of this, right? Let's consider this function. Then we know that 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. If we consider this function, then it will be equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3, right? If we integrate this, then we will get a log x plus 1, b log x plus 2, the same terms. Then we have to find the values of this a, That's all. Right? How to find this? We know that we have to take the LCM, then we will get this. Then denominator get cancelled, then we will get 2x minus 1 is equal to these terms. To find the values of a, b, c, we know that if we apply x is equal to 1, then we will get the value of a. If we apply x is equal to minus 2, then we will get the value of b. If we apply x is equal to 3, then we will find the value of c. Right? Instead of doing all this, I will tell you a simple method. That is, if you apply x is equal to 1 in this function except this value, then you will get the value of a directly. That is, if you apply x is equal to 1, then the numerator will be 2 minus 1, that is 1, divided by here 1 into 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3 into 1 minus 3 means minus 2. So the value of a is minus 1 by 6. In two options we have a is minus 1 by 6. So let's remove option A and option D. We are left out with only two options. Here we have 1 by 3 for B and here we have minus 1 by 3. Let's find the value of B. To find the value of B, we have to apply x is equal to minus 2 except for this value. If we apply minus 2 in the numerator, then we will get minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5, divided by here minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, here minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 into minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 minus 5 get cancelled, we will get minus 1 by 3. In option C we have B value as minus 1 by 3, right? So we need not find the value of C. Directly we got that this is the correct answer, right? That is option C. Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, we have to find the integration from 0 to 2 greatest integer function of x square dx. How to find this? If we apply x is equal to 0, then the function value will be 0. If we apply x is equal to 2, then the function value is 4, right? How to solve this? That means we will get the values from 0 to 4. We have greatest integer function. So the value of the function will be either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Right? That means we will get different values here. When will we get 1? When we have x is equal to 1, right? When will we get 2? When we have x is equal to root 2. And when will we get 3? When we have x is equal to root 3. So we have to divide the intervals from 0 to 1, 1 to root 2, root 2 to root 3 and root 3 to root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2, right? Let's find that. This function can be written as 0 to 1. What is the value of greatest integer function 0 to 1 x square? That means we will get the numbers in between 0 to 1. So the greatest integer function is 0 plus 1 to root 2. What is the value for 1 to root 2? It is less than 2. That means we will get 1 here. Plus root 2 to root 3. The values are in between 2 to 3. So the greatest integer function is 2. Plus, if we apply root 3 to 2, then it will be between 3 to 4, right? So the greatest integer function is 3. Let's integrate this. This will be 0 plus integration of 1 means x from 1 to root 2 plus 2 into x from root 2 to root 3 plus 3 into x from root 3 to 2. Let's apply the limits. Then we will get root 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus here 3 into 2 6 minus 3 root 3. If we simplify this, then 6 minus 1 5. Then how many root 3's are there? Minus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So it is minus root 3. Then minus 2 root 2 plus root 2. Then it is minus root 2. So the correct answer is option B, right? 5 minus root 2 minus root 3. Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, they have asked us to find the integration from 0 to 1 square root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. How to solve this problem? Let's multiply and divide by root 1 plus x. In the numerator we have root 1 plus x. If you multiply root 1 plus x, then the root and square get cancelled. We will get 1 plus x divided by, we have here 1 minus x into, we will multiply root 1 plus x. So it will be 1 minus x square, right? So if we separate this numerator, then we will get 0 to 1, 1 by root 1 minus x square dx plus root 0 to 1 x by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Right? Then this is nothing but sine inverse of x from 0 to 1 plus, how to simplify this? We have one formula, that is integration of f dash of x by root f of x dx is nothing but 2 into root f of x plus c. If we apply this formula for that, then f of x is 1 minus x square. Then f dash of x will be minus 2 into x, right? Here we have just x, so multiply and divide by minus 2. Then we will get minus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square. Because here f of x is nothing but 1 minus x square. And we have the limits, that is 0 to 1. Here 2 get cancelled. Let's apply the limits. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2, right? And sine inverse of 0 is 0 minus, if we apply 1, then we will get 1 minus 1, 0 minus, if we apply 0, then root 1 is 1. So the final answer is pi by 2 plus 1. The correct option is option D, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, they have given U as the universal set and there are two sets, A and B. Right? Universal set has 100 elements and number of elements in set A is 50 and number of elements in set B is 60 and A intersection B is 20. Then we have to find number of elements in A dash intersection B dash. We know that A dash intersection B dash is nothing but A union B whole dash, right? So it's enough to find the number of elements in U minus n of A union B. Now we know this is 100. We have to find n of A union B. What is A union B? We have the formula. A union B is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right? Let's substitute the values. That is 50 plus 60 minus 20. So this is 90. Right? So here we will get 100 minus 90, that is equal to 10. So the correct answer is option. In this problem, they have asked us to find the domain of the function f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 7x plus 12. To find the solution, we will go through the options. That means, observe the options. Here we have minus infinity to 3, intersection 4 to infinity. What is the resultant set? Intersection means it is empty set, right? Then observe here. Here we have minus infinity to 3, union 4 to infinity. Here you have 3 to 4. These and these are complement of each other, right? And observe here. Here this is same as this, but here 4 is excluded. So to find the solution, it is enough to see that whether 3 and 4 will be the domain of the set or not. Let's try applying 3. What will this be? apply 3 here, then we will get f of x is equal to root 0. Root 0 is valid, right? Here we will get 0. If we apply 4, then also we will get root 0, that is 0. That means we can apply both 3 and 4. Here we have only one option in which we can apply both 3 and 4, right? So the correct answer is option B. Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, we have to find the general solution of cos x is equal to mod sin x. How to solve this? If we have x is equal to mod a, then it is a is equal to minus x or a is equal to plus x. So similarly, it will be cos x is equal to sin x or minus cos x is equal to sin x, right? If we divide by sin x, then we will get tan x is equal to 1 or tan x is equal to minus 1. Tan x is equal to 1 means we know that x is pi by 4. Tan x is equal to minus 1 means x is equal to minus pi by 4. Here we want general solution. What is the general solution of tan x? That is n pi plus theta, right? Here in place of theta we have pi by 4, so it is plus pi by 4. Here in place of theta we have minus pi by 4, so here we will get n pi minus pi by 4. If we combine both of this, then we will get plus or minus pi by 4. So the correct answer is option B, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, we have to find root cosecant 20 degree minus secant 20 degree. Let's convert this cosecant and secant in terms of cos and sin. Then we will get root 3 divided by sin 20 minus 1 by cos 20, right? Let's take the LCM. Then we will get root 3 into cos 20 minus sin 20 divided by sin 20 into cos 20, right? If we multiply and divide by 2 for both numerator and denominator, then we will get 2 into root 3 by 2 into cos 20 degree minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 degree divided by 2 into sin 20 cos 20 divided by 2. This is nothing but we know that if we have 2 cos x into sin x, then it is sin 2x, right? So the denominator is sin 40 degree. What is the numerator? If we take this to the numerator, then we will get 4 into root 3 by 2 can be written as sin of 60 degree, right? And we will write cos 20 as it is minus 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60, right? Into sin 20. Here we have sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is it? Sin A minus B, right? So this is sin of 60 minus 20, that is nothing but sin 40 divided by, here also denominator is also sin 40, so sin 40 get cancelled. The answer is 4. So the correct answer is option A, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. This is the last problem of this video. In this problem, they have given p of n as 2 power n less than n factorial. And we have to find the smallest positive integer which satisfies this condition. That means if we apply n is equal to 1, then it will be 2, that is less than 1 factorial 1. Is it true? No, right? And if we apply 2, then it will be 2 square. 2 square means 4. This is less than 2 factorial is 2. This is also not true. If we apply 3, then it is 8. This is less than 3 factorial is 6. This is also not true. Let's apply 4. Then it is 16. That is less than 4 factorial is 24. Yeah, this is the correct one. That means we got the correct answer when we have n is equal to 4. Is it true that if for every n greater than 4 it is true? Yes, it is obviously true because we are multiplying 2 to the left hand side and we are gone multiplying with larger than 2, right? Here we will multiply with 5. For the next term, if we multiply here with 2, here we will multiply with 6. So these numbers go on increasing, right? So the correct answer is option A. Now we are done with all 10 problems and also the whole question paper of 2019. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.